How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. We are having essay 2, our final exams from 1st May, isn't it? All of you know it. All of them started studying, reading properly. Okay, read all the lessons from last lessons we will give you. Okay, first and second lessons many times you all have done. English same. You all know, no, diary entry, posture making, conversation. Okay, 2 or 3 comprehensions will be there. You have to write question answers from your lesson. Any comprehension can come. Any lesson. Okay, you have to answer those questions. 7 will start now. The conversation, how it will do. The trial. Joan of Arc, born in 1412, was a French peasant girl who pleased that the voyages of saints had told her she called on by God to aid her country. The French national heroine took to the field of battle during the Hyderabad during the Hundred Years' War from 1337 to 1453. At the time, the desperate French army had suffered a number of losses to the English, but Joan brought renewed confidence by lifting the siege of Orleans in 9 days and taking back the city of Rheims. She was soon captured by the English. Joan of Arc, who had been caught by the British in the war, was imprisoned and presented before the court. The introduction, the characters in the story are the Inquisitor Ladvenu, okay, Champlain, Cauchin, Canondi, Corselis. Now you will get right any conversation between the principal and the student, between two friends about annual day, about some wedding, like that in your compulsory 5 marks or 8 marks question. So you should write what you should write. The words I cannot give you, but you should write in sequence, meaningful. Just talking how it you all talk in that proper English spelling, no misspelling mistakes, proper format you should write. The Inquisitor, let the accused be brought in. Ladvenu calling the accused, let her be brought in. John, chained by the ankles, is brought in through the arched door behind the prisoner's stool by a guard of English soldiers. With them is the executioner and his assistants. They led her to the prisoner's stool and placed themselves behind it. After taking off her chain, she wears a page's black suit. The Inquisitor, kindly sit down, John. She sits on. Thank you, I am well enough. But the bishop sent me some cup and it made me ill, Cauchin. I am sorry. I told them to see that it was fresh. You mean to be good to me? I know, but it is a fish that does not agree with me. The English thought you were trying to poison me. Cauchin and the Champlain, John. Together what? No, my lord. Continuing. They are determined that I should be burnt as a witch. They sent their doctor to cure me. But he was forbidden to bleed me because the silly people believe that a witch's witchery leaves her if she is bled. So he only called me filthy names. Got it? Why do you leave me in the hands of the English? I should be in the hands of church, and why must I be chained by the feet to a log of wood? Understood, 9th class student? Are you afraid I will fly away? What does these with? These are the characters in the story, the names of the people, isn't it? Harshly, woman. It is not for you to question the court. It is for us to question you. Corselis, when you were left unchained, did you not try to escape? I should be in the hands of church. Distribute. It is for us to question you. Corselis, when you were left unchanged, you did not try to escape by jumping from a tower 60 feet high. If you cannot fly like a witch, how is that you are still alive? John, I suppose because the tower was not so high then. It has grown higher every day since you began asking me questions about it. Distribute. Why did you jump from the tower? John, how do you know that I jumped? Distribute. You were found lying in the moat. Why did you leave the tower? John, why would anybody leave a prison if they could get out? Distribute. You tried to escape, John. Of course I did, and not for the first time either. If you leave the door of the cage open, the bird will fly out. Distavit rising. That is a confession of heresy. I call the attention of the court to be. John, heresy, he calls it. Am I a heretic? Because I try to escape from the prison. Surely, if you are in the hands of church and you willfully take yourself out of its hands, you were deserting the church, and that is heresy. John, it is great nonsense. Nobody could be good, such a fool, as to think that. Distavit, you hear, my lord, how can I revile in the execution of my duty by this woman? He sits down indignantly. Cochin, I have warned you before, John, that you are doing yourself no good by these pert answers. John, but you will not talk sense to me. I am reasonable, if you will be reasonable. The inquisitor interposing, this is not yet in order. You forget, master promoter, that the proceedings have not been formally opened. The time for the questions is after she was sworn on the Gospels to tell us the whole truth. John, you say this to me every time. I have said again and again that I will tell you all the concerns this trial, but I cannot tell you the whole truth. God does not allow the whole truth to be told. You do not understand it when I tell it. It is an old saying that he who tells too much is sure to be hanged. Okay, don't talk too much, that's why. I am wearing of this argument. We have been over it 9 times already. I have sworn as much as I will swear, and I will swear no more. Corselis, my lord, you should be. Surely, if you are in the hands of church, you will willfully take yourself out of its hands. You are deserting the church, and that is heresy. John, it is great nonsense. Nobody could be such a fool as to think that. Distavit, you hear, my lord, how I have reviled in the execution of my duty by this woman. He sits down indignantly. Cochin, I have warned you before, John, that you are doing yourself no good by these pert answers. John, but you will not talk sense to me. I am reasonable, if you will be reasonable. The inquisitor interposing, this is not yet in order. You forget, master promoter, that is the proceeding have not been formally opened. The time for the questions is after she had sworn on the Gospels to tell us the whole truth. John. What does John say, children? You say this is to me every time. I have said again and again that I will tell you all that concerns this trial, but I cannot tell you the whole truth. God does not allow the whole truth to be told. You do not understand it when I tell it. It is an old saying that he who tells too much truth is sure to be hanged. Write possible conversation between Distavit, John and Corselis. Second one, write possible conversation between you and your friend about your cousin's marriage arrangements. Got it? Thank you. Send me the answers by 6 in the evening. See you in next class. Assalamu alaikum.